Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, a subscriber asked me to look into the matter. Now, coercion. Yes, the practice of persuading someone to do something by using force or threats. Now, in the matter of even the jury tampering, why was it that only one juror reported this allegation? And remember, keep in mind, 2 jurors voting not guilty is not enough for an acquittal. Then even this said juror who made these statements said the phone on which she received instructions from the juror who attempted to bribe her get lost. Now, the person asked the question of the crown witness. And viewers and subscribers, while being pressed by the defense, the crown witness admitted to not making these statements even in open court willingly. We're not sure if the statement was even acquired under duress. We don't know. We do not know. But he did, however, say him never do it of his own free will. Now, for those who do not remember his statements, and then again, how could you? Him change him statements so much time. But it reads like a bad movie, viewers and subscribers. Clearly, another woman from power write that scripture. Him say, similar to the story of the man in question, him say them come pick him up, carry him go uptown, up our house. Him say, while being asked or questioned about items, him look over and a door crack open and there he saw the man in question line. That, viewers and subscribers, this is a bad movie. This sounds like a bad movie, scripted wrong. Coercion. It is clear, viewers and subscribers, that all of these statements, even the one from the crown witness and the one from that juror who said that they were bribed, were scripted by the prosecution and given to them to say. There's never any proof in their statements. As a matter of fact, their statements are never even focused on, just used to paint a picture and create a scenario. That statement from the crown witness, I've seen the individual, was there to paint the picture for the jury. That was there to paint a picture for the jury, even though they were then instructed this and that after the fact. But it's not like the statements were excluded. They've been already here with them here. I always see that procedure, they must say, yo, disregard this and disregard that. Yes, even though they have disregarded this and disregarded that, the thought is still in their minds. That's why before them start say certain things, a defense lawyer will object. Before the statement even gets out, them plant the seeds in the thoughts and the minds of the people and the jury. In the case of the jury tampering, also fictional as well. Think about it. One juror tasked with getting an acquittal for an individual, and they must say them need other jurors to also vote not guilty as well. Even if you create a hung jury, you still need to be a 50-50 split. or at least a disagreement. They can't unanimous, or you know what I mean, things of that nature. But getting one other juror to vote with you not guilty is not sufficient, viewers and subscribers. But guess what? Them never want to involve too much people. Even this said juror told us, or not, she told the media rather, that being overseas was not her idea either, and that she never signed up for this. She said she have her big house and her business, a yard, and she said she'd have left it. She said now she's overseas, where even her income is different. The way she used to getting money, even that has changed. She used to work for herself, now she's working for someone else. So, you know what I mean? She used to be the boss, where because people say them are coming late. Now she are coming late. No sorry for her. Know why? Because they all played a part in sinking the teacher, viewers and subscribers. Unlawfully, I might add. But these are statements that they have made. This was not their idea. This was something that was tasked upon them. The state, whether it be the prosecution, the powers that be, whichever form they take for this particular reason, and them pressure them. The crown witness, that is why the statement continue to change. Because him now speak using a personal account. Meaning say, him now give personal account of the situation, not what he saw. Rather, what was told to him. And he not memorize it good. So that is why the statement slightly sounds similar but completely different. I ever wonder who believes things like this? Someone pursuing somebody, or somebody being pursued. See the person who pursued them get attacked by their own pet dog, and you turn back for help. The person who you have flee from, I never hear that know it. But they will sit and show me, say it's a bad movie. I'm gonna mean that in a good way. Scripted wrong. Scripted wrong. And them get bad actors. Because the juror, I got say she lost the phone. Now you have your Jamaican mobile. I agree you can have SIM card overseas. Or you can use your WhatsApp maybe. But you are now residing overseas. You know this. That's how you live right now. And you not buy a phone. You not buy a phone pan a plan. If you even not gonna buy a burner cell, you buy a burner SIM card. No sir, calm down. You lost the phone in New York. You lost the phone in your apartment, understand? You lost the phone on the road. We are doing a mobile up on the road anyway. If it's a mobile that you only use WhatsApp, that means you'd have to connect to the net. More fitting if you use their yard. That means I need to get a phone to move around. So that means you have a phone and still carry that phone to go around and go last. There was no conversation, there was no recordings, you had no proof. You had no proof. This conversation between you and the individual probably never even took place. Well, not probably, it didn't. This was all fictional. All stories made, propagated through individuals, but made nonetheless by who some would say the state. They have the most invested in this after all. So some would say invested in by the state, viewers and subscribers. When you talk to me, but there's a clear line of coercion with majority of the statements used by the prosecution made by individuals. Even when the experts testified, like for the JCF and the expert who represented the Digital Telecommunications Group, it's almost like them never want, you know what I mean, send nothing for hurt the defense, even though their statements could be used to prove, say what you know, the prosecution has no case. And them know this. coaching. No coaching. Witness accounts is clear coercion, which is illegal. Talk to me in the comment section. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the tweet, drop a like on the vlog, bust a share on the vlog. In truth, viewers and subscribers, until we reason again. You know the sentiments. Well, first and foremost, the comment section open to drop a comment. You know what I mean? Yes, well, those who know the sentiments, and for those who don't, I want more settings, viewers and subscribers, and we don't need a lot. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.